2.5 weeks ago, I decided to head over to Yarn Canada to look for factory mill ends. They have the options of cotton yarn and acrylic yarn. I got both. Here are their current selection of colors. So a couple weeks ago, I ordered something online and I've been waiting for it to come in the mail so I could do a video about it, and today is the day it finally came in the mail and I'm very excited to do this kind of review for all of you. I never really do reviews, so we'll see how this goes, but in front of me I have this huge package right here. And I ordered factory mill end yarn. I think that's what it's called. Basically, it's the last bits of yarn, and they could have problems, they could have knots, they could have bad color splotches, but they are super cheap. So I decided to see, like, what am I gonna get? I ordered a couple different colors. We'll see. I actually don't really remember. I know I ordered a sea green, a baby blue, but I'm blanking on whatever else I ordered, so let's cut it open and see. I'm not really sure what to expect. I will leave a link below as well. If this goes well and you want to buy some, there you will have the link. I thought it would be a good idea to do a review on this yarn because you never know what you're gonna get, and I've never gotten this type of offer before, so I don't know. All right. Oh, what? Okay. Hold on. Wow. Did not expect that. At the top, there is my order. So, these are the colors I got. Lime, pink lemonade, light blue, chunky sea foam, and chunky navy. There was no pictures, so I just went off the name. I did order a white, but that got canceled, so that didn't happen. First, I'm guessing this is chunky sea foam. That is massive. So this was $8, I believe. For all of this, it's a pound. That's a nice color. I'm actually very surprised. I like it more than I thought I would. Anyways, here is the lime. You know what? I love it. These are 100% cotton, and then the rest are acrylic. I wanted to change it up a bit, see what I get. I really like using cotton to make bags. So this is the lime. It's also very pretty. I actually really like it. And then here is the pink lemonade. Now, I thought pink lemonade was gonna be like a peach color, like a very light pink, orange, coral. I didn't realize that it would be a mixture of colors. This is gonna be very interesting to work with. We'll see. I mean, obviously, I think it'll look really nice with the lime. Here is the baby blue. This is my favorite color, as literally the whole world knows. Baby blue is like my entire closet. It's cute. I like it. This is also acrylic yarn. The lime and the pink lemonade, those were cotton, and then the rest of these are acrylic. This is really pretty. I'm really excited to use this for something. And last but not least is this, which is the chunky navy. Really pretty, kind of exactly what I expected. I'm glad it wasn't anything else because this is really what I was looking for. I have an idea of doing like a sun and moon pattern. You'll see. Box is empty. Besides the fact that part of my order didn't ship because it was sold out, which was the white yarn, I think honestly it's great value for what you're paying for. I really don't see any imperfections in the dye lot of these yarns. I think that they'll be really useful. These yarns were really, really nice. I'm really happy with my order, and we'll see. I have so many ideas. I really do have too much yarn. I've been buying a lot lately because I have just a lot of ideas, but this will be really exciting to have this stuff. The lime green and the pink lemonade, I'm gonna do some summery things for August before September starts, and yeah, then I'll move into more like fall colors, and I'll do like some fall stuff. If you didn't know already, I am building my small business. I'm currently putting it together, assembling models, all that good stuff. So soon my website should be launching, and my Instagram as well. It'll be kind of hand in hand. It's like whatever platform is easiest for my customers. But yeah, it's really exciting, and not a lot of people know about it, but now you guys know. This video was super short and sweet, but I'm really glad that it didn't have to be long because I didn't have any problems with any of these things. From what I see with what I just got, I think that getting factory mill ends is honestly like a way better deal, especially if you don't want to spend lots of money on yarn, and I definitely recommend, and I will leave a link down below, so if you want to buy factory mill end yarn, then you can. If you've done this before, or if you're planning on doing it, let me know what your experience is like. If you have any ideas, I am happy to take suggestions. Leave them below in the comments, or you can shoot me a message on Instagram. I am open to anything. I'm so glad that this order was a success, and I just can't wait to start making things with this new yarn. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.